Hello and welcome to FCS 351, The Developing Child. My name is Meredith Crossan and I will be your instructor for this spring 2021 semester. I'm very excited to get this online course started and I hope you are too. Today, very quickly, I just want to walk you through all the modules and everything that you need to know about this course. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so when you log on to your Canvas, this is going to be the home page that comes up. You can click right here to get to some like the most popular tabs that you need. And then of course everything else is also over here on the left side of your screen. What I want to do right quick, I'm going to go ahead and switch to the student view. Okay, so now what's on my screen is what you're going to see. All right, here we go. So I just left you a little welcome message and my phone number, my email, and my office location. However, I'm about to move to the library on the second floor. So when that takes place, I will update all of this. So this is just a little message just to get you going. Also, to start the course, you're going to click on the modules link and you're going to do the course orientation module. So let's go there first. All right, so this is where you'll begin orientation. It's just really quick. You can just kind of breeze through this, just kind of skim looking over how to do online learning, which I'm pretty sure you're probably familiar how to do that. And you can just click next and just go through this, and then just click on next. But I'm going to back out just a little bit. And once you go through all of these, at the very end, there is a student verification activity. And this is one of the first things I need for you to complete. When you click on this, all you need to do is tell me that you've read through the orientation module and that you are active in this class. You will do that by clicking on the Submit Assignment tab. Come down here and you can just put, I am active in this class. That's it. And then you can just click Submit Assignment. That's all I need from you. All right, let's go back to modules. Yes, I know. All right. Then you're going to see our course syllabus and the course schedule. Please don't let the syllabus scare you. There's a lot of things that we are required to put in there, so don't let it scare you. All right, so it's going to download for you. Oh dear, it may take it a minute or 5. Yep, I don't know why it's going so slow. I want to click on it again, but I don't want to make it angry. Okay, we'll just do it this way. All right. So this is giving you my information again, the course, the title, how many credits you're getting. This is completely 100% online. This is the textbook. You can read all of this on your own spare time. All right. This is everything that we will be talking about. These are all the chapters outlined for you, should you need a course outline in the future. All right, so you are expected to monitor the class through Canvas. Yeah, that's how we'll communicate. All right, this starts with the lab requirements, and we'll talk more about the lab in just a moment. This is how you will be graded for this class. Your lab attendance and participation, your performance evaluation, which we will talk about that. We have 4 exams, and they are 100 points each. The submission of your consent and observation form, which we'll get there. You do have journals that you need to write. We'll talk about that. A case study and a teaching activity. And you have a possible 825 points to make for this class. And then you can see the breakdown of the points right here. All right. And then this is additional information. If you feel like you meet the qualifications for services provided by DSS, please contact me as soon as possible, and then we will get in contact with DSS and set up the necessary accommodations for you. Okay. Once again, talking about Canvas. Be smart with what you post on social media. Just be smart. Our honesty policy, our cheating policy, I do not know why, but I always have students who want to cheat or plagiarize, and I always catch it. So please be honest and please do not cheat. All right, so let's go back. Oh, there, it finally came up. So next under that is going to be our schedule. So you can click on schedule and we'll let it come up. We're going to go ahead and click on it one more time. So we're not waiting on it. Okay, so how you read the schedule, and it does say tentative because you just never know, snow, ice, power goes out, of course, COVID, you just never know. All right, so classes start. Our class starts tomorrow, January the 13th. And all that I ask you to do is just kind of get familiar with our class. This video will be posted, so I hope you watch it. And then we have consent and observation forms. Then I list the date that the assignment is due. So please have all of this done by January the 27th. All right. So date assigned. The next thing is January the 20th. Chapter 1 and an online assignment. Please have Chapter 1 and your online assignment completed by January the 26th. Then on January 27th, Chapter 2 and your first journal is due by February 2nd. So this class is going to run from a Wednesday to the next Tuesday. That's going to be considered a week, from a Wednesday to a Tuesday. So the date assigned is always on a Wednesday, and then the date it is due is always that next Tuesday. Okay. You can see if anything is due, I have it in bold. So our first online exam is February the 10th. That morning it will open at 8 a.m. and it will close at 11:59 p.m. I do not mind when you decide to take the exam that day, but once you open it, there is a timer. You have an hour and a half to take the exam, which is plenty of time, I promise you. So if you want to take it at 11 o'clock, it will start counting down. If you want to wait till 3 o'clock that afternoon, you can start at 3, but then that timer counts down. All right, so this is all listed out for you. Okay, let's keep going. All right, this is what your textbook looks like. Seriously? My goodness, I'll fix that. Let's keep going. All right, this is my information again. All right, let me back out of this. Right here, I have listed all the PowerPoints, and there are 2 ways you can view these. This is an actual PowerPoint where the notes are on a PowerPoint slide, so they're very big. Or if you would prefer to have a notes format, so there's 3 PowerPoints on each page, and then there's the line so that you can take notes. So however you prefer it. All right. These are the forms you need. We're kind of shifting into the lab portion of this. The lab portion is a little different. What you get to do is you get to choose a child care facility, a daycare. You can also choose a daycare at a church to go and do observation hours. Normally, we ask you to do 24 hours. We ask you to go 12 times over the semester. So you go for 12 weeks and you go 2 hours a week. I'm going to shorten that a little bit because of COVID. I'm going to ask that you go 16 hours. So try your best to get in 8 times. So go for 8 weeks, 2 hours each time. And I will post in the announcements this again just as a reminder. All right, so this is your consent form. All you need to do is click on this consent form and just read through it. And this is acknowledging that you want to participate in this class, that you want to participate in the lab. It says that you're not going to hold JSU accountable if a child wipes a booger on you, if a child throws up on you, if you happen to trip over a block and bash your knee into a shelf and get a bruise, because working with children, you never know what's going to happen. They put glitter on your favorite shirt. You are just not going to get mad at us if something like that were to happen. And then there's a place for you to submit that online. Once you do find a place to observe, this is the observation form. Once again, you'll just click on this. And once you find the place, you will just fill out this information and you will just turn it into Canvas. Please make sure the teacher or the director of the place you find signs this. Okay. And the last two things, well, there's a few more. Okay. If you need a letter explaining what you are doing, here's one already typed up for you. If the director has questions, they can call me, my phone number, my email, and I would be happy to explain to them exactly what you are to do while you are there. Okay, scrolling on down. This performance evaluation. The teacher or the director that you are with will fill this out on you, and they will send it back to me. And it's very easy to see what they are to look at and observe you for. We'll scroll again. Hope I'm not making you dizzy. If you need some suggestions on where to go, I don't have access to view this resource. Okay, well, I will correct that. I'm sorry about that. Let's go back here. Okay, I don't know what just happened. Cool. All right, I'll fix that. But anyways, once I fix that, I'm not sure why you don't have access. But here is a list of child care centers that do welcome us in their doors. Or if you know of one that's close to your home, you can go to that as well. This lab attendance sheet is very important. You will keep up with the hours and what you have done at your center. You need to briefly list the activities, like I did circle time, art, music, I helped with centers, snack time, outside, we went to the gym. Just briefly jot what you did. Make sure the teacher signs off or the director signs off and you list your hours. At the end of the semester, you will just sign off the total hours that you did. Make sure you write the date. There are two really big projects in this class. We have the teaching activity and the case study. And then there's also journals, but I'm going to come on a little later and do another video and talk to you about those activities, okay? So if you have any questions, please just email me or call me. You're always welcome to come by my office. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to learning with you the rest of this semester. Bye.